now.
If I haven't wakened you up so roughly and taken you with me, these boys in these flyers would be on their way home. Just keep quiet. Hang on tight.
Are we still waiting?
For the time being. Omar, do you read me?
I read you, Mr. Doors. I'm afraid I have bad news. Whoever the people after us are, they've got Emma Stone. The girl's been grabbed, stored in a large flyer, and is now due west.
Wait for me in the prearranged spot. We'll be there in 2 minutes.
Is there a problem, sir?
Nothing I can handle on my own. See you soon.
Hey, mister, hey! They're catching up on us! What? What are you doing? Don't you leave me here! What are you?
You'll find out presently. Omar, I've got you on my screens. Turn the flyer and open the back hatch.
Roger that, sir.
My name is Derek Doors. This is my aide, Omar Al-Sayam. Mark the beginning of the most significant day in your life.
Wow. I think I figured that out already.
You can let go of the bike now.
These fellows don't give up easily, you know.
No clue at all.
Everything about us has been like written here.
It is time, Omar.